my loves, welcome back to my channel. This is a wig haul. If I tell you that I recently bought this wig, won't you believe it? Just look at this. Negodu, check this out. But they are not new wigs. Like this particular one, I've had it since 2019. I was really getting bored and tired of the old look, how dull it looked. I was asking myself, where am I going to get money to start buying new wigs? Then it crossed my mind that you can actually revamp your wig and have it as well as new. I really didn't expect much, but after receiving this wig, guys, I was shocked that you're going to see this wig before and the way it's looking now. Tell me you're not blown off. Like, just tell me you're not blown off, because I was. For the fact that this wig wasn't even a French wig, but it was changed to French, oh my god, it was like I just bought a new wig. I never knew that French wig could fit me this much, because this is the first time I'm trying it. Please just watch the whole video and tell me, what do you think? Which of the hair do you think is your favorite after the whole transformation? Each of it has a before and after. Particular week, I was angry from the very first day I bought it. I even ended my relationship with my friend because she was the one that sold it for me. After seeing it air online, she even showed me and was like, this is what she's giving me, only to receive it and it was a total rubbish. I was so pissed, but I kept managing the hair until I sent it for revamp. This is the first time I'm happy about this hair. Transformation was amazing. I love how sleek it is. My stylist has to trim out the excesses to make the length equal, and it's so giving. Tell me I'm the only one seeing this. This is a sign for you to take your hair for revamp. That your old wig that you think of throwing away, just wait until you see how this particular wig was looking like. Just look at this. This was how it was looking. No definition, no shape, nothing. And look at how it's looking now. Very sleek. Oh my god, can you even believe? I am just super excited, and if you want to be excited like me, take that your old wig for revamp. I'm sharing this information for free. Paid for this hair online, I thought I was buying a bone straight, only to receive it and realize that it was a curly wig. I was like, it is what it is. Online vendor with their stories, you get. But I did something to this hair. I added these meals that they use for attachment to this hair, and I didn't know how to go about it. The whole thing just turned sideways, all because I was trying to like style my hair at home. So it was at this point, and it is this particular wig that makes me wanted to see a stylist, and I now pack all my hairs in the house alongside this hair for revamp. And when I received this hair, I was like, wow, so this is this hair. Is this how beautiful this hair was? Oh, the hair is an expensive wig, but I did not realize how beautiful it was when I got it until this hair was sent for revamp and it was styled appropriately by a good stylist. This is how literally this hair was looking like after I did the rubbish I did to it, and this is how it's looking like now. Guys, I'm just super happy about the result of my hair, and I said I should come and show it to you guys. Please don't throw your away. You can still enjoy that your 1 or 2 weeks for a little while before you can get another one to add to it. Some of your celebrity, they are doing the same. Like they will go and revamp that old big wig you know them with, and they will look like a new one. Some they even go and change color. So I'm bringing you the tips and secrets to all this hair life. Go and revamp your wig, go and style your wig. You enjoy that wig. That's just what I wanted to share. Enjoy the rest of the video while I share the beauty of this hair and also the beauty I have. My God.
The last 10, I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come 1 in a dozen. The other 11 get something from
Today, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.